Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity Brokerage account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for a Fidelity Brokerage account, first, visit the Fidelity website. Locate the Open an Account button, usually found on the home page. Click on this button to get started with the registration process. You will see various account options available. Select the account type that best fits your needs, such as an individual brokerage account. After making your selection, click on the Continue button. The next step is to provide your personal information. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that you enter accurate details to avoid any issues later. You will also need to supply your social security number or tax identification number. Once you've filled in the required fields, click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your financial information. This may include your employment status and annual income. This information helps Fidelity understand your investment experience and risk profile. After entering your financial information, click on Continue once again. Now, you will need to create a username and password for your account. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Ensure that you remember your login details for future access. Read through the account agreements and terms of service. If you agree, check the box indicating that you accept the terms. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Fidelity may then ask for additional identification for security purposes. This could include answering security questions or verifying your identity through email or SMS. Complete these steps as they appear on the screen. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to fund your account. You can link an external bank account to transfer funds. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your funding method. Enter the amount you wish to deposit initially to start your trading. After funding your account, click Continue to finalize the registration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.